Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to tell you about my favorite agave. If you haven't had agave before, you don't know what it is. It's really, really great. It's like it's a natural sweetener, and it really is 100% natural. They use this in all kinds of things, margaritas, coffee. I actually use this in like a dessert I make with walnuts and bananas. It's very natural, it's delicious. The brand of this one is Blue Green Organics, Organic Raw Blue Agave Nectar. It's made with 100% Weber Blue Agave, low glycemic index, USDA organic, and non-GMO verified, which is awesome. This is a 16-ounce one, but I know that they do have like, I didn't need like a whole big tube of it because it does take me a while to get through it, but they do have like a new square gallon bottle that's with a convenient, easy to use handle. So that's also really good. Just another side note too, it's kosher, gluten-free, and vegan as well. So this can really appeal to just about anybody. I specifically bought this. I found it in a store. They have it online too, but I specifically bought this because I was looking to make a really yummy margarita with this like jalapeno tequila, and it was like suggested that we use an agave, like a blue agave with a little bit of fresh squeezed lime juice and the tequila, and it was literally so delicious. So much better than using like the fake margarita mixes that they sell, you know. I just really wasn't a fan of those, and this is a lot more natural. Didn't give me a headache the next day because there wasn't a ton of, sugar in the margarita like there normally would be. It's just, it doesn't have any preservatives in the ingredients list, 100% pure agave nectar, and really the best agave nectar I have tasted before. Very, very good. So the only ingredient, of course, is the organic blue agave nectar, naturally gluten-free. Our organic raw agave is heated below 118 degrees. And of course, certified organic again, tested by Glycemic Index Laboratories, product of Mexico. Certified vegan and kosher on the back there. No grams of fat, 60 calories in 1 tablespoon, 16 grams of carbs, sugars 14 grams. So yeah, it has carbs and sugar, but it's like less, and it's healthier than it would be, say, if you used like a regular sugar or an artificial sweetener. There's no preservatives, it's all natural. So that's what I really like about it. Put it in your coffee, put it in your tea. There's a whole bunch of different things that you could use for it, which is really awesome. It's also like it's in a plastic bottle. I keep it refrigerated once it's open. I don't think it says it on here, but it's like the consistency, you guys could see, it's like consistency of a honey almost. So I guess you really don't have to refrigerate it, because if you think about it, you don't have to refrigerate honey. So I guess it doesn't have to be refrigerated, but I have kept it in my refrigerator since I've opened it. So this is the 16-ounce bottle. I like that it has like a mild neutral flavor. Temperature at which it's like, produced below 118 degrees. That's to protect the natural enzymes. So it's the perfect all-purpose sweetener for natural and raw food enthusiasts. And I just really like it for like a whole bunch of things. I like that it's so versatile and so mixable, and on top of everything else, incredibly delicious. I think you could even use this if you wanted to, instead of pancake syrup. Put it in tea. When my husband was sick, I mixed this in his tea instead of honey, and he loved it. He said he thought it was absolutely delicious. Of course, because it's a plastic bottle, like, it's very durable. It's not going to break on you. Just really, really great overall product. I just poured a little bit on my finger so you guys could see. It's cold and like a little bit like drippy right now because I had it in the fridge, but yeah, see, it's like sticky. It's like the same, maybe not as, I think honey might be a little thicker. I think it's actually a little bit thinner than honey. Yeah, it's like that brown, it looks clear on my hand, but it's like brown color. Really, really great overall for everything. Great for cooking, and just great for people with allergies, kosher, vegan, all that good stuff. People that want to just have organic foods. So I hope you guys try out Blue Green Organics Organic Raw Blue Agave Nectar, and I hope you love it. Don't forget to try it in your coffee and margarita. Thanks for watching.